Hello. So if you wanna easily and quickly clean your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 with this cool cleaning kit, so first of all, grab your phone, locate your power button, and let's turn off our phone because this is important, guys. Safety first. So hold your power button. When you see this power off menu summon, simply swipe up and give your phone a rest for a few seconds. Also make sure that your table surface is clean to avoid scratching your phone. Now grab the soft brush and remove all of the dust from your phone. So hold it and remove all of your dust. Make it clean and good. Also, if you're wearing a case, take off your case by the time when you're cleaning up. So when we removed all of our dust, grab some cleaning liquid right here and apply it on a cloth. If you don't have it, electronic cleaning wipes will do. However, I strongly recommend you not to use cosmetic wipes because they are too wet and they will damage your device. Alright, so we applied some cleaning liquid. Now let's wipe the body and the screen of our phone with this circular motions in order to remove all the fingerprints and left off dust from our phone, right? Looks much better now, it's shiny and glowing. Alright, now let's use a multifunctional cleaning pen. So use it for your charging port, for all of the speakers right here at the top and at the bottom. Grab another cleaning pen and clean up your cameras right here. Clean up your front camera and clean up your back cameras. Don't forget about your flashlight, we will need it definitely. Also about the charging port, so as I already did, you can clean it up with some special brush, and also use some silicone tweezer if something is stuck there. So if something is stuck, you can use it. However, be really carefully and avoid damaging the contact. And basically that's it. Now your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 is good as a new phone. Thanks you so much for watching and have a great day.